This is the Sybo large capacity 4.5 liter or 1.5 gallon capacity coffee percolator. You can get up to 30 cups of coffee in just 30 minutes and it's ready to go. I recommend upon receiving this to just run plain water through it a few times to make sure the insides are all clean. And by the way, if you do want to use this for just hot water, you actually can. It heats water perfectly for any event. Then you can use it for tea or hot cocoa, or my favorite, lemon and honey. I love hot water, lemon and honey. I want to thank Sybo for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate our partnership. This is a great product. Sybo is durable, it's food grade, and it resists dents, the outer layer. It's made of stainless steel. There's no aluminum in this product, so it's easy to fill because the coffee levels are marked on the inside and you can see them easily while you're filling up the urn. This makes it super easy to measure. The other cool thing here is that no coffee filters are required. You have a basket on top. You just need to use a medium coarse coffee ground in the basket. So this also makes it just super easy to clean.